Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add or remove date and time in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show add or remove date and time. Now click for file. Now open. Then find your Google Sheets file, separate sheet. Now click for open. Now going to the file one option and add time and date. Now going to the print option. Now click for a header and footer option. Now for select. Now click for a current time. Now and click for current date. That is. Now click for next option. Then I show add automatically time and date in the show, and back here. Now going to the remove from the time and date. Now click for file one option. Now click for print option. Then click for header and footer option. Now scroll your mouse. Now tick mark from the remove. That's it. Then remove the time and date. Now for next. That is. Then I show add or remove time and date in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.